Once you connect somebody to actually buy that product and the transaction is made, you get paid a commission.
All my dogs peace, all my mobs deep. Get in your bag, ain't no lost street. Ain't no smoke, it's choke. We want all the heat, we want all the heat, we want all the heat.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of Wolves Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $300 per day simply by sending emails. So let's step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, what do these three boxes have to do with anything? This is literally the setup that you're going to be using to making a serious amount of dough or a whole bunch of cash simply by sending emails, right? So what we're going to do, right, is first and foremost, this page right here is called Squeeze Page, right? And this is basically the first web page that we're going to be actually leveraging to make money, right? The most important part is over here, which is called the offer. And then over here is called the bridge, right? Now these are basically three web pages that we're gonna be using, right? So the first step is the squeeze page. Second step is the bridge. Third step is the actual offer. Now what I wanna do is I wanna go and actually reverse engineer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with actually finding an offer. Now, if you don't have your own offer to sell, right? To make money online, you have to sell something. You can either sell products, services, consulting, software as a service. We're gonna go and actually sell products, but instead of selling physical products where people take a big chunk out of our profits because of the cost of goods, we're gonna sell digital products. Now, where are three platforms that you can actually sell digital products and you don't have to pay money to actually buy these products? There's clickbank.com, there's jvzoo.com, and there's maxbounty.com. So these are basically called affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are where you can find affiliate programs. And what is an affiliate? Affiliate is when you are the professional middleman. You find a product that somebody else created, you decide to actually promote it as an affiliate. Once you connect somebody to buy that product and the transaction is made, you get paid a commission. So for example, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to ClickBank, just for an example's sake. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and actually create an account. Once we create an account with either ClickBank, JVZoo, MaxBounty, doesn't matter. We're gonna go in and then go to the marketplace, right? Once we go to the marketplace, there's gonna be a different amounts of categories, and this is with any affiliate network, to where you can actually find these products that you can promote. And there's different niches like health, wealth, romance, languages. Meaning if you want to sell products teaching people Spanish, if you want to sell products that are helping people lose weight, self-help, if you want to sell products that are helping people with their self-esteem, so on and so forth. The whole goal is to sell a product that solves a problem, and when you get it in front of that person who's trying to solve that problem, they actually make a purchase, you get paid a commission. But where do emails come to play? I'm gonna go ahead and break that down in a second. So what we're gonna do is, let's just say we're gonna go ahead and find a product. We're gonna go to health and fitness. You can pick any random product. Let's just say I decided to do flat belly or lean belly breakthrough, right? If I was to go ahead and actually see what this product looks like, doctor reveals 2-minute fat burning secrets, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and actually get this in front of people who are trying to lose weight. Now, this is the actual offer. This is the sales video. And after they watch the sales video, there's gonna be a little button that pops up that they can click the button, and then what they can do is they can go to the actual order page, make a purchase. And if we look here, this actual product is on average selling at $39. And the actual, if I was to go ahead and press promote here, they're paying out 75% commission. So I'm gonna be making about $30 per sale, right? So all I have to do is generate anywhere from 3 to 10 sales per day, and I'm making anywhere from $100 to $300 per day. Now, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and actually reverse engineer this, right? So I'm gonna do a quick little 3-step process. The squeeze page, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be giving away something for free that is basically congruent, right? I'm gonna be giving something away for free. It's called a lead magnet. So when I give something away for free, right? Let's just say a free report, a free PDF, a free training, a free ebook. I'm gonna be giving something away for free that is congruent with the product. Now you wanna figure out what your offer is first. So we figured out the offer, right? Which I can make $30 commissions, right? We figured that out. And then the bridge page, I'll explain what that is in a second. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna create something for free. For example, I'm just gonna say a free ebook in this case. I'm gonna create a free ebook that is congruent with this product. So the free ebook is going to be talking about how people can lose weight, right? And then what I'm going to do is with this free ebook, I'm going to go ahead and create a 3-step web page, or 3-step funnel is what it's called, a 3-step website, which is basically the squeeze page. And I'm going to go ahead and actually show you guys what this looks like in a second. So here's a live example. So here's a free PDF, right? And then once they go to the next step, there's going to be a bridge page, which is right here, this bridge page. And in this bridge page, what we're going to be doing with this bridge page, if it would load, is we're going to be say, hey, the PDF is on its way. While you wait, check this out. And then we're going to be redirecting them to the affiliate offer, right? So the bridge page is just a bridge between the landing page or the squeeze page and the offer. So we're going to be basically bridging the gap and redirecting people. So we're going to say, hey, your free book is on its way. Hey, your free thing is on its way. Hey, your free PDF is on its way. Whatever you offered for free that's congruent with what you're selling, you're going to say, hey, it's on its way. While you wait, check this out. Then you're going to redirect them to your affiliate offer, right? So once we actually create this whole little process, we connect our affiliate offer. Now it's time to actually go ahead and start driving traffic. So how do we actually drive traffic? There's different ways we can be doing. So an example of just some examples. So we can do Facebook ads. We could do YouTube video marketing. We could do blogging, right? There's so many different things. We could do Google ads, right? And I know this is terrible handwriting, but basically we're sending visitors who are interested in losing weight to give them access to our free thing. And then what we're gonna do, there's gonna be a bridge page. We're gonna redirect them to the actual offer. Then they're gonna make a purchase. Where do emails come into play? They have to give us their email to get access to the free thing, right? So now that we have their email, we're gonna start building an email list. So just to give you guys an example of an email list, I have 20,000 people on my email list, right? So let's just say 1% of 1% decide to actually click through. If I just send an email, click of a button, 1% of 1%, which is basically 200 people. If I send 200 people to, let's just say, so first and foremost, let me backtrack a little bit. After they get to the bridge page, we're gonna be redirecting them to the affiliate offer. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna redirect them to the affiliate offer. But now, because we're starting to build this big, huge, massive email list, which is called a distribution channel, what we're gonna be able to do now is start emailing these people who didn't buy. We could not only email them the product that we originally tried to sell them in the first place, but let's just say that's not the right fit for them. What we can start doing is, because we're starting, for example, the people who get to this page right here, we get that email. The people who go to the next step in the funnel, we get that email. But the people who don't buy, we're gonna go and start email marketing to them, and we could recommend any different offers. So if I go back to ClickBank and I go to health and fitness, don't you think somebody who might be interested in an ebook would be interested in just losing weight? So let's just say that offer is not the one for them. I literally have 10 pages of about 25 offers per page, or 10 offers per page. So I have over 100 different weight loss offers that I can actually recommend to my email list with these emails. So with that being said, guys, the simple solution is simply finding these offers, then leveraging a sales funnel software like ClickFunnels to actually build out this 3-step process. I just showed you guys it live. And then what we're gonna be doing is driving traffic through Facebook ads, YouTube ads, blogging, so on and so forth, to the squeeze page to capture these emails. We're giving away something for free. Then we're gonna redirect them to our affiliate offer with this bridge page. And if they don't buy, we're gonna have that email list so that way we can email them. They're gonna be a lifelong customer. And all we have to do is get a couple purchases per day, and we'll be making $100 to $300 per day simply by sending these simple emails. Hey, thanks so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell to be notified every time I drop some new heat. Lastly, if you found yourself thinking, hey, I want to learn from this guy, then click the link in the description to grab access to my new book, or you can grab it at ericsnewbook.com. Again, that's ericsnewbook.com. Thanks for watching.